Hi, good morning. My name is Helen Ward. I am the chair of the Freedom Front Plus party in Plettenberg Bay, and I'm here today with some of my colleagues, Ian McKenzie, Alan Rankin, who are candidates of Bitu, as well as Gert Niehaus, who is on the PF Plus in George, and he is assisting us. It's a very exciting day for us today. All our advertising and promotional material has arrived, and we will be putting up during the course of the day the Freedom Front Plus boards throughout Plet and the surrounding areas.
Ja, en ek is Gert Niehaus. Ek het net nie aangekom, ek is van die tuinroete bestuur. Toe ek van die petroljokkies na my gekom en gesê hy soek 'n T-shirt, want hy soek om Groenewald. Om Groenewald het die regte ding gedoen en goeie dinge gedoen. Die manne maak nou hulle eie kos en alles en is om regtig bevoorreg om saam met julle te wees. Dis regtig, dis nou ons tyd, it's our time and we definitely do excellent in the coming elections. So ja, alles wat mooi is sterkte vir julle. Dankie.